My heart. They made it specially for me the day I was born, because it was the coldest ever day on Earth and my heart froze solid. It's a bit cobbled together, but it works.
Okay, Christopher Columbus, let's explore a whole new world.
Give me a second to get changed, let's go!
There are 3 rules that whatever happens, you must not forget.
Never touch the hands of my heart.
Yes, but what else? Keep your temper under control.
I know, my heart looks like a toy, but it's not to be played with.
And rule number 3, you must never, ever fall in love.
That sound over there.
You caught a bug in town and not flew, you naughty young lad. You know that it's forbidden.
Forbidden.
Jack! What have you done to him?
Do you happen to know a tiny singer who keeps bumping into things?
Her name is Miss Acacio, and nobody's allowed to mention her except me. Don't tell me you've fallen in love with her too.
A bit. You see, Mr. Méliès, there's a singer I met in Edinburgh.
Yes, I know. These things do happen.
Yes, but when I saw her, I was terrified my heart would stop.
You want to experience a grand adventure with this filly?
Last I heard, she's in Granada.
I never laughed so hard as I did on that cavalry charge. I don't bother with watches or charts.
What would that be?
A bouquet of glasses.
I can't say they're my favourite flowers.
In sharp stiletto heels, you can tell how she feels from the spine of the cactus. How love for her was the spring that sprung in his clockwork heart fell apart.
I expected you to put up a fight. I'm disappointed in you. You're not worthy of Miss Acacia.
Can his taker take it? How much joy would break it? Can his taker take it? Loving you could break it. Oh, Miss Acacia.